Hello everyone, welcome to day 11 of Leetcode May challenge. Today we have question number 1641, count sorted vowel string. So in this question they have given us an integer n and we have to return the number of string of length n that consist only of vowels, that is a, e, I, o, u, and are lexicographically sorted. A string s is called lexicographically sorted if for all the valid I element present at index I is same as or comes before the element present at the index I plus 1 in the alphabet. For example, in example 1, the length of the string is 1 and from A, E, I, O, U, from this vowel we have to create a lexicographically sorted string of length 1, so the value is 5. Lexicographically sorted means we can have A, we can have AE but we cannot have EA because in the alphabet E comes A comes before E but E doesn't comes before A, so AE is valid but EA is not valid. So let's understand it over here. If we have to create a string of length 1 that should only contain vowel, so if the string length is 1, then the string is itself A, E, I, O and U. So the total string possible is 5 and these are lexicographically sorted. If the length of the string is 2 and we have to find how many strings can be created, those who are lexicographically sorted, then from A we can have AA, AE, AI because they are lexicographically sorted, AO, this is A, and AU. So these are 5. Then we can have EA. No, we cannot have EA because EA is not lexicographically sorted because A comes before E, not after E. So this is not valid. So this we should make sure. So starting from E, 2-digit string will be EE, E and I, because I come after E, so this is valid string. So EE, EI, EO and EU. So the total combination we got from here is 4. Then from I we will get II, IO, IU, that is 3. Then from O we will get OO and OU, that is the combination is 2. From U we will only get 1, that is U. So the total number of combination possible of len 2 is 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. Similarly, if we will see for length 3, then we will have from U, like let me write over here, A, E, I, these are the vowel, OU. So we will traverse from right to left. So first we will see U from U. From U of any length we will have only one, because only one combination that is lexicographically possible is UUU. So here it will be 1. For O, we know for O, for length 2 we have two combination, that is OO and OU. So now we have two option for to make it length 3. Either I should add here I or I should add here O. That is, this string can become OO. Sorry, this is not I, this is O, and this is U. discard this. This is U, because I is not coming like before, like I O is not coming before I, so that is why we will take O, and the other which we will form is OU. So these are the two combination, and from here we can just add U, so the combination will become O U U. That is 1. So total here is 3. From I, similarly from I, as we know, for the length 2 we have 3 combination. For the length 3, how many combination we can make is, this is for length 2, we have I and O, I and U. So for here it's making the combination of, either we can go with I, or we can go with O, or we can go with U. So the combination will be 3. From here we can go only with we can go with O, and we can go with U. So the combination is 2. From here the combination is only 1 to be lexicographically sorted. So total combination is 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. So we can see here one pattern, that is, let me erase it and write it over here. Give me a second. Just give me a second. For length 3 we will find the combination, because writing all the 35, 15 or 20 combination which it will make is not possible over here. So just give me a second. Of length 1, using vowel, that is A, E, I, O, U, we can make one combination each. For 1 also, for O also one combination, for I also one, for E also. This is E, not C, don't consider it C, this is E, and for this also 1. These are not in the straight line, but this is all the combination for 1. For n equals to 2, just give me a second. Oh, why is this happening? For U we will already have one combination. For 2 we have seen the combinations were 5, 4, 3 and 2. For pattern 3 we have observed till I, that is for U it is 1, for O it is 3, and for I it is 6. We can see this 6 is the combination of this all, like when we'll sum it up we will get 6. For 3 we want, we have to sum above 2 combination it got, and for 1 it is 1. So for this place, for E, what we will do, so the pattern is we have to add all the combinations in the above length, that is n minus 1 length for the above combination till here, that is 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So that is 10. That is 10. For 5 again we need to know the combination of A, so we will add till here, like 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 15. So this is how we will get the combination. Similarly, if we have to need to know about the length 4, then for U we will have the same combination. For O, either we can plus this, or we can plus 3 and 1. It's our choice, it's same thing. So 3 and 1. So for O we will have the combination 4. For I we will have the combination 10. For E we will have the combination 20. For A we will have the combination 35. Now if we check for the length, similarly now we know the pattern, so we can check for any length. Now this is not the problem. For U again we will have 1. For O we will have 4 plus 1 5. For I we will have 15. For E we will have 35. For A we will have 70 combination. So this is what we are going to return. While explaining this, you can get it, we are using the answers which came in the above step. So it is somewhat related to DP. So let's write the code to implement it. First thing what we will do is, we will create an integer array, name it DP, of length 5, because every time like A, E, I, O, U, this is like 1, 1, 1, 1, and these are like 5 vowels now. So every time we got 1, so we will fill this array by 1. And now we will loop. We know that for n equals to 1, all the elements are 1, we have filled it. Now we will loop through from 2 to the number, for the n number they have asked us for. So for I equals to 2, I is less than equals to n, and I plus plus. Now we will loop from I equals to 3, why to 3? Because for u every time we will get this 1, so this is constant. So we will loop from here, and then we will go to like 3, 2, 1, 0, this direction, right to left. So I is equals to 3, I is greater than equals to 0, I plus plus, or I haven't changed the variable name, give me a second. This is j, this is j, this is j, yeah, this is of integer type. And what we will do in DP of j, we will add the number present at DP of j and j plus 1. What is this? That means if we have to take out for 2, then we will add the j before already, like the already present count in this, and then the u count, and these both combination give us the n is equals to, like when the length is 2 and we have to make the combination with O, that count. Okay, so this is how our DP will be filled. And after this, as we have to add it and have to give the count, so we will create this thing and we will loop it through, maintain DP answer plus, we will add all the element and we will return the answer. This is the code. Let's run it. Array, it's this is, we forgot to mention here the array which it had to fill 1 in it. Yeah, now it's done. Let's submit it. We are done. So the space complexity is O of 1 because we are taking the fixed size, that is 5, and the time complexity is linear, O of n.